So basically I just wake up. It's 5 in the morning, so I'll go outside and try to capture some early morning photography. So let's go. So I am standing outside, and as you can see, the sun is probably rising right there because it rises from this side. And let's do some photography. First, this view, this background view is looking very beautiful. So I'm gonna capture with my phone, and let's see. So that's the one shot that I just took. I'll go around and find some other shots. So as you can see, I found my next shot. Basically there's a mountain looking right up there, and early in the morning that is looking very beautiful. I don't know why, like early in the morning or evening they look very beautiful. So I'm gonna capture that mountain with my phone, but this angle is not probably right, so I'll go a little further, it'll go ahead there, and I will capture the mountain. So let's go there. And look at this beautiful sun that is just rising from the east. Look how beautiful that is. So as you can see, there's the sun rising and it's looking very beautiful. So I'm going to capture one of the shots of the sun. Let's go a little ahead and capture from there. I got 2 shots. So I don't know if you can see it or not, but these rice fields have a lot of water drops on the top of the rice plants. So I'm going to capture them in this beautiful sunlight, and let's see how those shots came. So basically this is the water droplets that I was talking about, and look at this beautiful sun that is just rising from the east. It is so beautiful. Like early in the morning, what could be more beautiful than this? I mean, obviously there is a lot that is more beautiful than this, but just look at this view. The mountains are there, the water droplets are there, and the sun is there rising, and the hue, the colors is just very beautiful right now, with these water droplets that just looking like the ornaments of nature. And this is a little path between rice paddy fields. So capturing the fainted mountain, I mean hazy mountain. The mountain is not properly visible. It has a distinct layer between two peak. Okay, and it is looking very beautiful. I don't know how my phone can capture it or not with just a single camera. So let's see. So we can end this video right here because the sun is really high, the light is very harsh, and no more photo ideas to capture. So we can end this video right here, and